Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We have four types of normal cell. One called Musawama. You can spell it in English Musawamah. Musawama. Musawama is a bargaining cell without disclosing cost price, and you purchase any water, any juices, any food item or your stationery. You are not interested to know about the cost price or to know about the profit the seller making for himself. Just simply you pay price and you take what you need. This called Musawama, and we are doing in daily life needs when we go to purchase anything from a supermarket. Number 2 is Wadi'a. Wadi'a is sale of goods on the same price, no profit. This type of deal is done between friends. Like for example, if you purchase something and then your friend, he is traveling outside or he is in need, so he will say, please give me and take the price. Or your relatives, your brother, your sister, your cousin, you are not charging any profit and you sold this item on same price without making any charges, any profit. This called Wadi'a. You can spell it in English W-A-D-I-A-H. Wadi'a. So Wadi'a is, we in banks, we are not doing Wadi'a also because we need to make profit, and this transaction always being done between friends and relatives. So this is not our portion. Third is Tawliya, sale of goods with deduction of cost price. Tawliya, you can spell it in English Tawliah. Tawliya. So Tawliya, sale of goods with deduction of cost price. There is two things. One is cost price. Cost price means the price on which you purchased this thing, and what are your costs on purchasing these things. One is sell, like promotions. Sell is only reducing in profit rate, not deduction of cost price. So be aware of this, that Tawliya is a sale purchase with deduction of cost price, not with less charging of profit. So sell is something else, it's not Tawliya. If you have a car and car market price is 20,000 dirhams and the person, he was terminated or he lose his job, then he is going back to his country. Now what happened? People are searching for those people, they are in critical situation, in serious situation. Then they will come, they have cash and they will offer 10,000 and they will say, see, you are going and you have only 3 days. I have money, I can help you, take this money. Then the person is thinking that something is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. He take this 10,000 and the other guy take car of 20,000, he is very happy and he calculated that minimum profit I will made in this car is 10,000 or 8,000. He is selling his car, his furniture, his whole household items, other things with deduction of cost price and less than market price. So people taking advantages of this situation, but in Sharia it is not allowed. Yes, the deal is done, the deal is okay, and this is called tawliya, but it depends on both parties. For example, if I don't need something I purchased, but now I need to sell it, whatever price I will get, okay for me, is not a problem. And the other party is not taking advantages of my situation. In Sharia, if your intention is to take advantages of anyone or exploitation of anyone who is in critical situation, it's totally haram, is totally not allowed in Sharia. We are not talking about tawliya because tawliya is out of our subject. So the remaining thing with us is only what? Murabaha. Murabaha is very simple, but you have to remember the word Murabaha. Always you will listen this, when if most of people pronounce it wrongly and they pronounce it Murahaba. Yani ha is before ba, but this is wrong. Murahaba mean yani when someone welcome other one, and Murabaha is from ribh. Ribh means profit, making profit. What is Murabaha? Murabaha is also simple sell purchase transaction, nothing else. Only one question. Only one question. If the purchaser asked for cost price or profit portion, like for example, I am seller, you are purchaser. Now I sold you a lot of things and always you are coming, you are selling from my shop, you are purchasing from my shop, but you are not interested how much profit I am making in these items. Now one day you came and you asked a question that just tell me how much is the cost price of this item. For example, a box of tissue paper. You are purchasing. With this question, you have interest. You asked me that please tell me what is the cost price of this box. And the other word, you are asking about profit. You are purchasing tissue paper box, but you asked a question. You questioned me that please tell me how much profit you are making in this box. Only this question, see. So with this question, when I disclosed my cost price and profit portion, this deal convert from musawama to murabaha. You got my point? Again, I am shopkeeper, I am seller, you are my client. Always you are coming, you are purchasing things from my supermarket. We are doing always musawama, like daily life transactions, daily life sell purchase, dealing. This is musawama. You have no interest what are my cost price, what profit I am making, but you just come and you purchase vegetables, fruits, water, tissue paper box, other things. Now one day you came and you asked that please tell me what is the cost price of this tissue paper box. Or your question is, kindly tell me what amount of profit are you making? Only with this one question, this called Murabaha. This called Murabaha. Murabaha is a simple sale purchase contract in which cost plus profit is disclosed, or sale price is disclosed and divided in two things. This is cost price, this is profit, and known to the buyer, because the seller already knows. The seller already knows, but buyer is interested to know about the profit portion or to know about the cost price. It means that Murabaha is a simple sale purchase transaction with only one question. If the buyer is interested to know the cost price, or if the buyer is interested to know the profit portion, the profit amount. We will go through Murabaha and we'll see what is Murabaha. Now tell me, is there any link for this Murabaha with time? Is there any link, any involvement of time with this Murabaha? Of course, no. Because this is only just hand-to-hand on-spot payment. The buyer is paying price on spot, taking goods on spot, but only he has one interest to know about the cost price, nothing else. Is it clear? I'm sure it is clear. But if you have any doubt, please let me know, and inshallah I will try to explain more.